Hi, I'm Devin Bowman. I'm the General Manager of Technical Glass Products. You know, oftentimes people are asking the question, what's next in the glass industry? And I think what's exciting, when you look at multifunctional products, the world is changing as it relates to life safety. Right now the hot topic really is, it's school security. I think in the last year where we've seen some social instability, where quite frankly there was a lot of damage done to people's physical property, folks are looking to the next step. How do I provide security to folks who are inhabitants of buildings that may be subjected to damage, quite frankly, unlawful damage? So situations like that, I think we're always looking to the horizon. How can we provide a solution, knowing that requirements are changing? And so there's always something coming up in the future.